Today we are finally back with some more Blitzwolf tech, thanks to our good friends at banggood.com that provide reasonable tech at fairly low prices. Yeah. So yes, indeed, these are today the Blitzwolf bw-fye18 Bluetooth 5.0 TWS earphones. And may I say, very bold earphones in fact, as they come in this black and chrome blended. Yes, I said blended colour tone. Now, because they are in earbuds, the FYE18s already come with large size ear tips already fitted, which with my ears provide a surprisingly good fitment and mild passive noise isolation. Now, do we have any spare ear tips? Yeah, we do. One size small, one size medium. And as you can see just here to the bottom of the earphone stem, we have those super bright LED pairing lights, which you will be pleased to know those lights will turn off once they are paired to your device. When we go ahead and place them within those charge docks, within the provided pebble-shaped charge case, they are magnetically pulled in, very precisely in fact, which will only take approximately 1 hour 40 minutes to fully charge these earphones from flat. We do know this as we have had the opportunity over the past 3 days to test these earphones out thoroughly. So in regards to single use, it is a little bit lower than the 6 hours that was specified. That is because we were using 100% volume consistently, simply achieving 3 hours 43 minutes music playback time. They can be boosted real quick using that 300 mAh charge case, with that case too being able to recharge the earphones just below 3 times while on the go. But don't worry, because that charge case too is also fast charging, with it being charged via that included Type-C charge cable supplied. Yep, the charge case certainly feels quite robust. It doesn't really stick out too much when it is in your pocket, and when it comes to that magnetically sealed transparent lid on the top of the case, it does provide a visual notification when the earphones are indeed charging, with those same illuminating LED lights on the side of the earphones turning off when they are fully charged. Not only that, we do get a super bright torch light on the front of the case. Hey wordy, spell a word. E.
Don't watch out, Magic E's about. Hey, let's have a look at the Magic E song, shall we?
Fuck no. But because we have had a lengthy amount of time to test these FY18s out, well, the audio, I really think the audio was quite more fitting to hip hop music in general, as the bass is super heavy and massively impactful. So when you change the music genre, for example, to pop or rock music, it can sometimes drown out some of the instrument sounds. With our favourite hip hop tracks playing though, the audio does provide an instant reaction to bob your head along with the music. High tones are loud and upfront, but the mid tones do sit a tad bit back for my liking. I just think that the bass slightly drowns out the lyrics, but don't get me wrong, they do sound above average, but not quite perfect, with a slight deviation of the audio to the left earphone, which was only noticeable by the way after we charged the earphones a second time around. The touch functions, which are situated on the top half of the earbuds, we were able to play and pause music easily, with that same action that will answer and hang up incoming calls. They also have other features like the previous and next track selections, as well as a voice assist option that can be activated on that left-hand earphone. Tell me a fact of the day.
Here is a fact. Did you know? If the billions of electrons that make up all the data of the internet were weighed, it would weigh approximately 50 grams.
Now we do have a game and music mode that can be selected via that right-hand earphone, which to be honest, we didn't really notice much of a difference in either of the modes, no. I will note though that both modes though do have pretty good surround sound. So yeah, the touch functions may take a bit of time to get used to and remember, but I will note that volume controls are not included, I'm afraid. You can however use these earphones singular or binaural, and in regards to the microphone quality, which those microphones are situated on the inner side of the earbuds, well, here's an example of, well, the quality. Okay, so when it comes to the microphone quality when using these earphones in conjunction to our mobile phone that we're using today, well, we've had the opportunity to look at a few videos back, and I've got to be truly honest, these microphones provide low voice pickup, and sometimes our voice can sound a bit muffled. Now, when it comes to latency, as you may have noticed, there is ever so slightness of a delay when it comes to our voice in sync with this video. And if I was to give a quick tip, I think that the microphones would have been better situated right at the bottom of the earphone stem rather than them being placed on the inner side of the earphones. Now don't get me wrong, the Bluetooth transmission distance is excellent. It didn't cut off once when in our house. And oh yeah, they are IPX5 waterproof. So you'll be okay to go out, wander out in those cold UK showers, and you won't have to worry about getting these earphones damaged. No. You know what? For £20, what's that? Around about 24 in US dollars? I actually think at the rates of price rises these days that these Blitzwolf are really not a bad option to check out and choose. Especially when you're looking for a budget set of earphones. The design and colour scheme certainly is bold and does stand out. The audio definitely is bassy, ideal for hip hop music lovers, with decent good reaction touch controls, which in whole results in these bw-fye18s being rewarded today with a rating of 7 out of 10 for budget range set of TWS earphones. Now if you want to check these earphones out for yourself, go ahead in the video description down below where I've left a handy little link for you guys to go and basically take a look at. If you have liked what you've seen within this video, well why not go get yours. While you're in that video description guys, it means so much if you please like and share this video. Not only that, quickly subscribe just now, I very much appreciate it. Bearing in mind not to hit that bell notification option so you guys stay updated on all our new uploads. Now it's been fantastic reviewing another set of earphones this week, and why not go ahead and check out our earphone playlist where we've got loads of budget earphones for you guys to take a gander. But until next time, I hope you all stay safe and thank you ever so much for watching. Peace!